Some PCBUs can overcomplicate the requirements around providing instruction, supervision and training to their workers. We explain that all that is required is to look at how you do business and what changes you may need to apply in the workplace. These need to be communicated to workers, and where there is a specific way of undertaking the task, show them what is required.
The internet is a really good resource when looking for information on how to show someone how to do a new task.
There are lots of sources of information to help workplaces know what to do and how to comply.
Many workplaces have already prepared their COVID-19 safety plans. New industry-specific guidelines have been developed and made available on the Worksafe website.
We hope this has helped you better understand what to expect when an inspector comes to your workplace. We both look forward to seeing you soon, and remember, stay COVID safe.